Let's make a Mutta Surka today. Mutta means egg. It's a breakfast thing or a snack. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen.
This recipe is for making 10 Mutta Surka. We need 1.5 cup of kaima rice. Wash at least 3 times and soak for 1 hour. Transfer to a blender. Salt 1 teaspoon. Add 3 eggs. 2 tablespoons of water and blend into a fine paste. Transfer the paste to a bowl. Using a ladle, give a quick mix. Onto a hot oil, pour a full ladle of batter. It will start rising like this. Put some oil on the top so it helps us to fluff it more. Turn it around and cook for a minute. Take it out, drain the oil and place on a plate. You will get a firm inside Mutta Surka. You can enjoy with curries. For the second type, add half cup of water, give a quick mix and follow the same process before. You will get crispy and soft inside Mutta Surka that can be enjoyed at the tea time.
The first one is a little bit firm inside. It's very good flavors, but we need some curry to dip in and enjoy this one. A lot of recipes are there. Please visit my channel. The second one we made. It's very soft, crunchy, crispy. No need of any curry or anything. Just eat like a snack. If you like this recipe, please try it. And if you like it, share it, comment it, and show your support by subscribing my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye.